What's up, you guys, and welcome back. Hopefully everybody is having a fabulous day today. If you're not, I'm really sorry, but there's always tomorrow, or at least that's what I tell myself to get through to the next day. Anyways, let's talk about a couple of things very quickly before we get into today's video. The first one being, obviously, I know my voice is a little raspy. It's what we're working with today. I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Number two, the potion bottle. I know a lot of you guys asked in my last video where I got the potion bottle at. I will try to find it and link it down below. I got it a very long time ago at GameStop. However, I did keep the box. You guys know me. I save boxes, okay? It is what it is. So I will try to link it down below. If not, I will put the exact name that is on the box down in the description box, because I do know they do have it from time to time on Amazon. And the third thing is, I apologize that I have not been on in the last week. As you guys know, my 2-year-old son, Liam, has been going through some medical issues, and we think that he may have had a seizure last week. We're not 100% sure. He's fine now, but we're just trying to figure out what happened. So lots of doctor's appointments, those kind of things. Keep an eye on him very, very closely. You know what I mean? So I wanted to hop on here though, because this arrived, and I know it's kind of our tradition on this channel to do a Jeffree Star mystery unboxing around Halloween and a giveaway for you guys. So it kind of cheers me up, and hopefully if you guys are having a shitty day too, it cheers you up and we can cheer each other up. So let's get into doing that. So before we cut this bad boy open, I need you all to listen to this. Are you ready? That doesn't sound good. Now, UPS did deliver this. Normally, he ships these via USPS. And as you can see, just so everybody's clear, it has not been opened, okay? Because number one, I wanted it to be a surprise. Number two, if I need to contact customer care, y'all saw it. I'm opening it right now for the first time. So we're all in this together, okay? Okay, so that's, I see something pink on the top. Let me try to get that out of your way. Ooh, this looks, okay. So this is Jeffree Star skin. This is not a thing. This is not a thing. Okay, this says the gloss in 6 feet under. So I'm guessing this is from the cremated collection. Let's take a look at it very quickly, because I want to see what this magical item in here that he needed. Yes, so it's a black gloss. More than likely I will probably, well, actually it's kind of silver, huh? So I will probably put this in a giveaway, because I do own a lot of Jeffree Star glosses. So I'm going to set that to the side. The next thing, oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. Velour lip scrub in Witch's Brew. I'm probably going to keep this. I have not, usually every time I get one of these boxes, I get a lip scrub that I don't like. This is exciting. I freaking love it. I love it. I love it. I may just keep it. Oh, it's green. Oh no, it smells like black licorice. It smells like black licorice. It smells like black licorice. I hate black licorice. Okay, that might go in the giveaway. All right, let's move on to the next thing here. Ooh, he put a Supreme Gloss in here. I'm very happy about this, because I have been wanting to try his Supreme Gloss formula. I haven't pulled the trigger yet. Haven't done it, so kind of glad that I haven't. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch these quite yet, but I may throw up things, swatches. You guys know I do the things with the close-ups and the things, so that way we can. All right, you guys, so I'm sitting here working on editing the video, and I'm doing the swatches for the little insert clips, and I just got done swatching the Supreme Gloss. And I'm sorry, you can call me a child all you want. I don't care. I own it. Okay, look, tell me that does not look like a vajayjay. You're lying if you say that it don't, because if you own a vajayjay or have ever seen one in real life, you got to admit that it does, okay? Like, I'm sorry, I hate to be that person, and I don't know how the hell I didn't catch this sooner. And got to thinking about it, and I was talking to my girlfriend. I think that he did that on purpose. I really do. Like, I really do. I think he was like, it was one of those things where they were designing it and he was like, you know what? Screw it. The whole world will be wiping my on their lips. You know what I'm saying? Tell me that isn't something that Jeffree Star would think we're saying. All right, I'm done. So this is a color and shade that I already have, Unicorn Blood, right here. So I will throw up a swatch of this so you guys can see what it looks like, but I do already own it. So that's going to go in the giveaway. Next, we have a Velvet Trap lipstick in Dominatrix. So I've only gotten a couple of these, but not, ooh. So that is a chocolatey brown color. Holy moly. This very well may go in the giveaway too. I have to look because I think I might have this. If I do, I will show up swatches. If I don't, you guys know, close-ups, and we're just gonna set that to the side so we can figure out what we have good giveaway, what we're keeping. All right, Weirdo palette. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So I know a few of you guys were saying that you really were excited for this. And as I said in my last video, I knew, like shit, if I was, 18, 20, 25 even again, I would have been really excited for this. I mean, hello, it's gorgeous, but it's just not the kind of colors I can wear at the PTA mom meetings these days. So that is what we're working with. It looks like, I don't know what that is. Do you guys see that in that pan, like on the corner, this pink shade right there? Okay, so anyways, I was going to put this in a giveaway because I know a lot of people were really excited. And as I said, this to me is kind of like a cremated and blood sugar, like smash up palette. But I don't know with that, that pan like that. I don't know. I'll have to take a good close look at it when we're not, doing this. Okay. So, okay. What is this? Is this, there's no way that he had to make this box for this. Oh my God. It looks like a bat, you guys. It looks like a freaking bat, man. There's no way. So to all of you guys that thought that there was a stuffed animal in here, I can assure you there is no stuffed animal. But this is cute. I thought there was going to be like a little, so no, there's not a strap to this. Really? That's kind of a shame, Jeffree. So it's a makeup bag. It's essentially a makeup bag. I thought this was going to be like a cute little purse. He should have totally put straps on here. I was really excited for that. Did you guys just see that? Like I was up and then down. I love it though. I love it. I love the little fangs and stuff. I mean, that's a huge makeup bag, but Jeffree, you fooled me. You fooled me, man. You got my hopes up. All right. I have no idea what this is. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Okay. So this is definitely going to go in the giveaway because it's blood sugar and I do already own this. So I will show up pictures right now for you. This is just a gorgeous palette though. This is like the original, the OG, and I can't get it back in there. Holy cow. Yeah, I love this palette. Love it. Love it. So whoever gets this, you're gonna love it too. Hopefully. If you like reds, because otherwise. Okay. Oh, all right. This is what was rattling. This is what was rattling inside. Oh, because they're everywhere. Okay, so I'm kind of really happy that I got this because this is like literally all of his browns and nudes. I'm gonna have to like put this back together. So again, to save time in this video, I will do this and show a close up for you guys. But this is really pretty. I really like this. This has got a lot of nudes in it. A lot of nudes, so that makes me happy. I do and have gotten one other of these, but it was the red version, so I am here for the nudes right here. And then last but not least, please God, let this be a t-shirt, because let me just tell you guys, this t-shirt that he got last year, It's like the best t-shirt. It's the best t-shirt material. I wish he would make all of his t-shirts out of this t-shirt material because it really is the best. Like, no joke. It's, ooh, I think it is. I think it is. Oh, yes. And it's purple. Bitch. You guys. I love it. I love it. 1 second. So I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking she probably knew somehow that there was going to be a purple shirt in there. And so she coordinated her eyeshadow with her shirt. I wish I thought ahead like that. And no, I don't, because that would have made me had to have watched a video unboxing and then it would have completely spoiled the surprise. So no, I did not know that there was going to be a purple shirt in here, but let me tell you how happy that I am that there's a purple shirt in here. This is just a happy coinky dink right here. But let me show you what the back of the shirt looks like. I'm not trying to show you my butt. I'm just trying to show you the shirt. Yes, 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 yes. I absolutely love it. I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite, all-time favorite Jeffree Star shirts that I've ever received. Like, I love the purple. I love the spider web. I wish he would have made sweatshirts like this. You know what I mean? They would have been, I would have loved it. He probably did. Watch it have been in the large box. And then, of course, my dump. Yeah, we're not going to talk about that. Now I get to go watch other people's unboxings and see what other people finally got because I haven't looked. You know what I mean? But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys because I know, obviously, there was a big deal made about the size of the box. So this is what, you know, he was talking about, I guess. So it had to be like this long. But even though it's still like folding up the bottom here, if you guys can see that, of the little thing. So the little bat wing, it wasn't placed in like that. It was like that. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know why he couldn't just, I don't know. I don't know. But I just showing you, I guess that's what he was talking about. I'm assuming that's what he was talking about. But let me go ahead and go through our goodies here. We'll do a recap on what we got, what we're doing, what I'm keeping, what I'm putting in the giveaway, all that good stuff, and the details. So let's get into that. All right, so I got all of our goodies split up and tallied up, and I figured out that we do have 10 items. It does retail for $268, right on the nose. And that means the makeup bag actually retails for $25. The shirt retails for $25. And then, of course, if you've been watching this video, I probably put the prices down in the corner so you know the prices of everything else. And again, it came to $268, right on the money. So that is where we are at with that. Let's talk about the giveaway. Now, in the giveaway pile, I am going to put the licorice velour lip scrub, which makes me a little sad. I wish this would not have smelled like black licorice. But can I just say real fast that I had somebody comment the other day on one of my videos and they were like, oh, I didn't get the licorice lip scrub. If anybody gets it, let me know if they don't want it. And I didn't know what she was talking about. But now I know. She actually gave us a spoiler to the box. So thank you so much, but not really. So that is going in the giveaway. And Unicorn Blood, Velour Liquid Lipstick, Velvet Trap in Dominatrix, the gloss in 6 Feet Under, which I almost kept this. But I was like, Alex, you have so many glosses. Share the love a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that. And then, of course, we are going to put the Blood Sugar palette. Whoever gets that, if you don't already have it, which I think most people do, but if you don't know what you're missing. That's a really good palette. There's a really good palette. And there is a lot of actual very wearable colors. You can do some really peachy vibe looks. Very, very pretty palette. So definitely enjoy that, whoever gets it. I'm also going to put in there some, not all, but some of the nude lipsticks because, I mean, I don't really need that many nudes, but you know, share the love kind of thing. Share the love. So I'm going to keep some of the nudes. I'm going to keep the shirt, the makeup bag, the Supreme gloss, and I'm only going to keep the WEIRDO palette because of that little thing on there. Let me know down below if you guys even care about that. If you don't care about that, I will totally put this in a giveaway because I am not going to use this. I'm really not. I'm not going to use it. I wish I could go to PTO meetings wearing something like this, but I can't. It's just the reality of it. You know, I mean, I already stir up enough trouble with the purple and oranges and the blues and the greens. The blacks, just push it. Just a little bit. You know what I mean? They already whisper enough. They whisper enough. Okay. So anyways, let's talk about what you got to do to enter the giveaway. So as you guys know, I keep it real around here. The honest to God truth is I do these giveaways for you all. at the end of the day, that's what they're here for. They're here for you guys. I love unboxing these. I love getting the products, but I also really, really love sharing the love. You know what I mean? You guys know that have been here. So to be entered, you do have to be subscribed. I hate to be that person, but again, I really do this for you guys that have been here, that have been loyal and been continually watching my videos and commenting and when you don't have to, but you do. So I appreciate that. So I do these to show my appreciation. So you have to be subscribed. You do have to like this video. I do check, again, just keeping it real, okay? I check. And then I want you to comment down below, what is your favorite classic Halloween movie? Not like the new ones, okay, but like the classics. Like are you a Hocus Pocus kind of person? Do you really like Beetlejuice here? Yes, I do have 2 of these, handbook for the reason because I'm a fan. Let me know, what is your favorite classic Halloween movie? And then I will be drawing this on Halloween. So the winner will be announced on Halloween on my community tab. Happy Halloween to you, whoever you are, or whoever you end up being. I figured that would be fair. Sounds good. It's not that far away. It's like this weekend. So get to commenting. You know what I mean? All right. Guys, listen, I'm really sorry. I've kind of been a little flaky lately on my channel. I'm trying to do better. It's just a lot going on with Liam, and I was going to put the video up about him, but then this stuff happened last week, and I'm like, I'm going to have to add to that. And now I do still have my favorite video of all time about the portal to hell. I promise you that is for sure going up. I just need to sit down and edit it. So it's a lot of editing. It's a lot of editing. It took a lot to do that video, so it is definitely going up, okay? So if you're not subscribed to my other channel, Alex's Makeup and Mayhem, definitely check that out, because we're going to be putting on some makeup talking about the portal to hell. And then of course, if you want to subscribe to this one, you are more than welcome to. I really do hope you guys enjoy this video, and whoever wins this enjoys this giveaway stuff, because it means a lot for me to be able to do this with you guys. All right, until next time.